Welcome to JJ's test track.
Hello, this is me testing out my early BR Merchant Navy class. Number 35029. Hang on a minute, where did them two carriages come from? They weren't there a minute ago. Strange. Have you noticed that in my recent videos, rolling stock starting to appear on my locos? Hang on a minute, where did the carriages go? I had carriages on there a moment ago. Now I've got some wagons. Where did them wagons suddenly appear from? I've got Walton, a BR conflat and container wagon, and a London Brick and Forbes limited wagon. Something's really weird going on my JJ test out. This is starting to freak me out. Appearing and disappearing rolling stock, and rolling stock turning from one rolling stock to a different type of rolling stock. Got carriages that turn into wagons. Now where do those wagons gone to? This is really freaky. Carriages and wagons that suddenly appear and then suddenly disappear. Maybe if you comment below and see what your thoughts are, what's happening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.